Hi, Alta Sierra. This tutorial is designed to show you how to create your own YouTube channel so that you can upload videos with closed captioning. So first of all, you want to go to YouTube. And when you first arrive at YouTube, you'll want to click the sign in button, if not already signed in. When you click sign in, make sure you choose the @clovis.usd.k12.ca.us, the long email address. You'll notice that mine is different, and that's just because I'm using a different account for the purposes of this video, but you'll want to use your long email address. From there, you want to click the correct account that does have your long email address on it and log in. Once logged in, you'll want to go to the upper right-hand corner, open up the drop-down menu, and scroll down to Create a Channel and select. Go ahead and select Get Started. This will open up how you want to choose to create your own channel. You can create a custom name using a brand name or picture, meaning you can create a brand account if you want to. Or if you're just using it for the purposes of uploading some instructional videos to help your kids, for right now, I would just choose the one on the left. It keeps it very simple, it keeps your name attached to it, and keeps everything streamlined for right now. You can always choose to change the type of account later, but for right now, I would choose the one on the left. From here, you're basically set up. There are a couple of additional steps you may want to make sure that are done and completed, and that includes verifying your channel. So you'll see this blank screen come up. So you're like, oh gosh, what do I do now? Head on over to the upper right-hand corner where your profile is. You'll see a small wheel right here for YouTube settings, and I want you to go ahead and click that location. Okay, you should see a window that has some details about your account. And inside of this window, you should scroll down, see a little icon with your initial on there, and then you should see where it says channel status and features. Go ahead and click that link. Okay, so I want to take you through some of the settings that are recommended. You can change yours and adjust yours as the need fits, but just overall, inside of settings, the general, you don't have to mess with too much. On the channel itself, there's not a lot I did to that as well. If you will go to advanced features, you might want to check to make sure, do you want to set your channel made for kids? I recommend anything you put on YouTube is kid friendly. So I select yes, because I want my students to be able to view it no matter what. And also, and you will have other options, but I go ahead and default mine to yes. And then also under feature availability, you do have the option down here for live streaming. However, you have to verify a phone number with your account in order to be able to do that. And the video has to be longer than 15 minutes, so you can kind of see how that works. Very few people do live streaming for teaching, so it's not something I generally recommend that you start off with, but maybe if you work up to it and you want to change it later, you could. Under upload defaults, if you go to advanced settings, then the license you keep the same. Please go ahead and change your language to English. I go ahead and for captioning, I select that this content has never aired on television in the US, meaning these are your videos that you have made, that you have uploaded. So this can't be copyrighted material, just maybe lessons that you've done or whatever. And then I always change my category to education because it clears the filter, usually the easiest. I also click users can view ratings for this video if you want to or not. It's up to you. You don't have to. You can uncheck it. It doesn't matter. It's just your preference on whatever you choose to do. And then permissions, there's nothing here that you need to do right now. Community, under automated filters is pretty much okay. And then I did check hold potentially inappropriate chat messages for review, just in case. You just never know with working with children what can happen. So I go ahead and make sure I have that checked. And then agreements, again, there's nothing you need to do. Then you'll simply click save, which I have already previously done, and it should automatically close out to you, and boom, your channel is now made. In the next video, I'll show you how to upload a video.